how to make your joystick or your wood to stand for 45 minutes. That is what I am going to share in today's video. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case if you are new on this very channel, consider to be a member of this channel by hitting the like button. Subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are you going to do to make your joystick or wood to stand for 40 or 45 minutes? But before I share on the 3 ingredients you are going to take, be rest assured that body system differs. And also, if you want to get benefits from taking this recipe, you as a man, never take alcohol or take anything that might suppress these benefits before taking it, like smoking cigarettes or marijuana and taking alcohol. Because if you do, you can never get results. Or if you consume too much sugar or you take sugar a lot, you might not get results. So what are the 3 ingredients that will help you to maintain erection or make you to have your wood stand for 40 to 45 minutes? The 3 ingredients you are going to mix are: number 1 is carrot. Carrot is very good. It boosts your immune system and also help you to maintain blood pressure and also help you to have a good blood and fluid circulation and also help you to stay hydrated. That is why you need carrots. Number 2 is fresh tomato. Yes, the same things that carrot gives is what fresh tomato gives. Since tomato contains fiber and also contains a lot of water as carrot, it can also improve your blood flow and blood circulation. And not only blood, it can also lead to good fluid flow in your body system. And with this, you are going to stay hydrated. And once you are hydrated, that is when you will have a good erection as a man. So the last ingredient which you need to add is garlic. Yes, garlic is very important in this recipe. Why? Because it improves blood flow and blood circulation. So these are the 3 ingredients I am going to recommend, which is very perfect to maintain erection or to have your wood stand for 40 minutes to 45 seconds. Now, how are you going to do this? Just blend all of them. Maybe if you want to have a cup or half cup, you blend the 3 of them, that will give you half cup. Maybe if you want to have much so that you can preserve, you know that you can add enough carrots and add enough garlic and tomato to have it many. So it depends the quantity you want to get. Then blend all. Do not filter, do not boil. Just take them naturally for some minutes before going to your job. You will see that you will have a good blood flow and blood circulation. So that is it in today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, kindly subscribe to be a member of this channel. Hit the like button to support this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.